Morning. Mag-Uber tayo today. Nandito sa condo ng aking friend. And waiting galore lang ako sa Uber. It's gonna be a short day for me. Dalawa lang yung pupuntahan ko. Public library lang, tsaka Devonian Botanical Park, something like that. Okay, andito na ang aking Uber. Eko. Okay, here we are. Calgary Central Public Library. Madalas dito, so I have to be careful. Oh, sa gilid niya pala ako dinaan. Because there's another entrance here. Ayan. There's another entrance here sa side na to. Oh, laki ng pesko ah. Ayan. Please enter here. There's pa rin tumambay there. Time here. There's a create space right here. Book sanctuary. Draw a book. And then pwede ka dito upo. What do we have here? Ang architecture niyan. Like oval. So this is the public library in Calgary. So there's a lot of things to do here. Like, of course, you can read books, syempre library nga, or you'll be using laptop to work. Tsaka hindi siya quiet. You can hear kids. Alam ko parang meron ditong play area. This one for kids. Mga toys for them to play. At saka may mga kids talaga dito para nag-ano sila parang nag-tour. So these are for kids, I guess. I can still go up. May visitor guide pala here. Check yan later. Ready to print? You can also print here if you're working on something you want to print. Just scan the QR code. There's plenty of space here. Ito, pwede ka rin dito. Dala ka ng laptop, diba? Dala ka ng laptop. Open your laptop. Meron ka ng mini workstation. And of course, hindi ka pa huli ang mga upuan. There's so many things here. Diba? There are sockets here. Work here with your laptop. And also get to see this view. Hindi ka ng beats. This one is studio book. Pwede kang meeting. Fun fact about the Calgary Public Library. There's a time capsule somewhere and 3 levels to. Also, may mga children library, pre-recording studio, good talaga yung ano na, major design. Location. Hindi mo pa nakakita mga views na parang diba pang okay. Meron pa nag-seminar yung mga different business pati somewhere. Bababa na tayo ulit. Let's gonna go back and we're gonna transfer. Dalawa lang pupuntahan ko. Ang next is Devonian Garden inside a building. And I can't find other places na yung nalakad-lakaran. May downtown walking sana ako. Kaso ang lamig kasi sa labas. Okay, mag-Uber lang ako. Diyos ko po, apakalamig. Wait lang. Wait lang. Bakit nagbago? Grabe, so lamig. Sabi ko doon ako sa araw maghihintay para hindi ako mainitan. Grabe. Walang power ang araw dito. Napakalamig pa rin. Makikita tayo sa TV Square. Here. For the mall. Let's go. Devonian Garden from level 4. And maybe dito na naman din kain. So parang feeling ko a little later, magugutom na ako. Hindi pa naman ako nagugutom na yan. Wait lang. Ito pala ang escalator. Devonian Gardens. So this is a free garden. Okay, it's warmer here, At ito yung koi pond. There's so many koi fish. So many. Ilang piraso na nakikita. Diba? Tapos, walang nag-playgo dito. Gigigil ako. Hindi man lang. Ganun. Konti lang pala yung koi. In fairness, ang dami nakapwede. Siguro, mga kumakain. Okay. Because it's 1:46 na here. Kaya siguro kumakain sila. Parang mga tropical yung mga ano dito, Like this. This is very much banana. Tapos mga ganito parang sa laman ng mga plantitos and pantutas. Okay, I think it's bigger than what I expected. Okay, may pasakura. Ano yan? Ito ay fountain area dapat. Ito ay this is a good place to mambay. Diba? Namin pala rito. It's bigger than parang akala ko ano lang siya, like atrium or a smaller area on top of a building. Pero kind of reminds me of yung sa may pinunta namin sa Seattle, the Amazon sphere, pero hindi naman ganito. Medyo reminded me of, pero it's totally different. Dito pa rin mas malaking. Okay, it's not a real park. Sa Katalot. Tayo sa kabilang side, may nakita ko parang playground for the kids. But how many weapons? So I think gagawin nila tong pond. Ayun yung ginagawa kasi, oh. Hanggang doon, ang laki. There's the mall. Oh my God, may sushi shop doon. Okay, feeling ko dyan ako kakain. Sushi shop. Sushi shop. Ako nabubulol. I won't even zoom. Hindi pala yan. Ito pala. Yan. Sushi shop. Okay. Medyo nag-warm up na ako. Hindi na malamig ang aking hands. Pwede ko na itong inabay. So, just order the Pokeball here at the sushi store. Tapos, and just pick a seat. Here. Okay, I'm having this Pokeball and mango. Was it warmer last week?
Oh, cold.
Still cold? Oh my.
Last, it's minus 23, 25. With windy chill. You can walk. Oh,
I know.
it's not
Just waiting for the Uber is so chilly. If it's not that cold, I can actually walk home.
Yeah.
Yeah, right?
It's far from here.
But it's so cold.
Yeah, it's cold.